Honorable judges and respected delegates, a very good evening to all. This is Fazra, the delegate of Turkey from General Assembly. I take this opportunity to discuss about the sustainable development goals achieved and to be achieved by Turkey. The concept of sustainable development has been implanted in the national development plans since 1996. 17 Sustainable Development Goals have been established in 2015, and those are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reducing inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and partnership for the goals. As a middle income country, Turkey has made improvement in all three dimensions of sustainable development and taken fundamental steps in eradicating poverty, reducing inequalities, and addressing the vulnerable. Based on a human centered development approach, Turkey has achieved outstanding development in providing better quality, broader, and more reachable public services, particularly for education and healthcare. Policies to reduce interregional infrastructural disparities and endorse technological facilities across the country marked an inclusive development pathway. Turkey promotes leaving no one behind principle both at home and overseas, and advocates raising the voice of upward countries in international decision-making mechanisms. As an emerging donor, Turkey supports development efforts of developing countries. The organization of the Technology Bank for Slightest Developed Countries as a UN entity in Turkey in 2018 marked SDG 17.8 as the first global goal achieved. Ever agreeable to offer a helping hand to those in need, Turkey has responded charitably to the invasion of Syrians since the beginning of Syrian humanitarian crisis in 2011. Turkey has arranged momentary shelter to these people. Hosting the major refugee people in the world, Turkey has spent more than 37 billion US dollars for the well-being of 3.6 million Syrians to date. They are able to contact the public services equally as Turkish citizens, especially for their education, healthcare, and humanitarian needs. Looking ahead, Turkey will focus on maintaining the rapidity of development and improving the superiority and effectiveness of services, with a unique emphasis on competitive production and efficiency. Towering value-added production will be prioritized. On the basis impartiality principle, efforts will be continued to distribute better wealth among all segments of society.